Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We are ready to leave the hotel to go to the airport. It is now around 7, I think, and we need to catch our flight to Singapore. So today you will see in this video how we arrive in Singapore after a flight of 12 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Bye.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win the kissing. If you want some love, just let me know.
Right now we arrived at Schiphol. We are going to our gate with a bit of check-in. We are ready to leave. Well, yeah, ready for 12 hours and 30 minutes. It will be a long flight, but we are completely ready for it. Totally. A bit tired, as you can see.
Yeah. Let's see how it will look in 12 hours and a half. But we're ready.
We are ready.
room. Let's check it out. Okay, so just press here. Right. So it's pretty decent. Two big separate beds. TV. It's freezing. We asked to turn the air conditioning down because honestly it's like worse than in Belgium. So we have a mini bar, which there's nothing in it because the bottles are here. I think it was $1 for the two. We have the safe, the ironing board that we're not gonna use.
No.
And the bathroom.
Ooh.
Which has everything that it needs.
Ta-da!
Last but not least, the view, because we are on the 16th floor, which is the highest, I think, in this hotel. Well, the weather is not super, but ta-da! You can't see anything.
Ooh.
There's a church. There's a nice looking building right there. Apparently it's been raining for 5 days, but cross fingers, it's gonna get better.